He did it for us. Guilt of sacrifice. He gave me trust. But look how he paid the price. This bloodshed could have been avoided if I convinced heaven to work together. I took the hotel and I destroyed it. I know I could have done better. Instead of letting you down. Oh, little lady, why the frown for the last 10,000 years? You're the first to change this town. You can do this. Yeah, I know it. For your story has just begun. You can't quit now. Oh, you owe it. This was damage to be undone. You changed my mind. You've touched their hearts, found a good, and soul's gone bad. The stage is wrecked. The crowd is gone. But by God, Charlie, the show, it must go on. We can do it! We can do it! This is the time we haven't seen! Twice a day! We can do it! What's it that you can dream? It starts with you, you know it's true! To build a hotel, I think we need to break a number! They were out to go through, creature for me. That could be. I'm crying because I don't do it. Man, guys, make what's the best of what you gotta pay. You don't like the coffee machine. I'm sorry. After the bottle, master is gone. All of us are in body. When the red bottle, will be a topic. Water in the kitchen. There's missing. The sound between his legs. Nature rules power. Nature for you. The future of our memories. This place reeks of death. There's a chill in the air, and I barely escaped being killed by a hair. Great Alistair, our truest died for his friends. Sorry to disappoint, that is not where this ends. I'm hungry for freedom like never before. The constraints of my deal surely have a back door. Once I figure out how to unclip my wings, guess who will be pulling all the strings? Will be bad. Nor do me day, Mickey. I must take a while. The legend or did I get rid of you? Even do this wait and see. We gotta do this.